What's up, guys? This is EBM. My channel YouTube name is Lukela Ford. Lukela Ford. Lukelafod. Lukela Ford. Ford initializing the foundation, Lukela Foundation, named after my mother, late mom's name. She was my hero. Thank you very much. Have a blessed evening. Wherever you are watching me, it might be a morning, a good evening, or whichever. Kudos to everyone who is coming to watch my YouTube videos. Kindly not get tired to remind you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Kindly, I request you once again to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you very much. God bless you, for the Lord has made today. For the last 1 week it hasn't rained, and I'm very much happy right now. It has just rained, and my plants will now do well because the beans are now flowering, which is very crucial process whereby when the flowers doesn't undergo a good process, it may affect the yields. Thank you very much. God bless you. Join me this evening as I bring to you today's vlog. Thank you. Feel most welcomed and be blessed. It has just been raining. Look at my kitchen garden with mulching around. Very much happy today. Now when it rains, the plants will do well. Look at the maize doing wonderfully. Thank you very much. And this is Africa Eldoret. It is right now time exactly 24 hours is half past 6 or 6:30 p.m. or in other words, this is 18:30 hours. Thank you very much for the beautiful garden. You can see glowing, some maize over there, and this beautiful garden around. And we also have Irish onions. This small portion is almost ready. Almost ready. We have some cow peas, yeah, and these are this is a small garden of beans. Yes, this is also maize field. Thank you very much, guys, for coming to watch once again the beautiful African environment here in Eldoret, East Africa. Thank you. God bless you. Feel most welcome as you join me in this video. Yes, today I wasn't feeling like doing a video. The day is almost ending, and I said, why not? This is beautiful scenery around. Look at the flowers. Beautiful scenery around. Yes, thank you very much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This is the maize. You can see the progress, flowers, and all that raining, and hopefully things will do well. Yes, somehow raining, and I'm allergic to coldness, most likely. That's why I'm rushing to go to the house, and yes. Yes, thank you for considering to subscribe. Thank you for considering to subscribe to my channel, Lukela Ford, Lukelafod.